If you're looking for inspiration for what to make in your air fryer, this video is for you. We're sharing some of our favourite Indian air fryer recipes. These are all so good you won't believe they were made in the air fryer. Crispy okra fries, you won't believe these were made in the air fryer. To start off with, we need to prep our okra, so you want to cut off the stems and then cut the okra into quarters. Now let's create the most flavoursome okra fries. In a large bowl, add your okra and then add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, followed by 1 tablespoon of rice flour. We need to season this well with salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, ground cumin, garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of ground green chili and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, along with some amla powder. To this, add juice of half a lemon and half a tablespoon of sunflower oil. Give it all a good mix to make sure those okra fries are well coated with that lovely spice mix. We're now ready to put these into the air fryer. So place your okra into your air fryer basket and be careful not to overcrowd them too much because this will stop them from getting perfectly crispy. You can do it in 2 batches if you need to. Once you've added them in, just spray with a bit of oil spray and then place in the air fryer and air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. Give them a quick mix halfway through and then spray again with some oil spray. This will make sure that they're perfectly crispy on both sides. Golden crispy okra fries bursting with flavour. These are great to serve with your favourite chutneys. For more air fryer recipes like this, don't forget to check out our other videos. Perfectly crispy onion bhujia. You won't believe these were made in the air fryer. To start off with, you're going to chop 6 onions into strips and then place them all into a large bowl. We're going to start by adding the gram flour or chickpea flour, rice flour, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, and for the extra kick, finely chopped green chilies. We're also going to add a little bit of lemon juice and some chopped coriander. This blend of spices is the secret to that signature Indian flavour. Add some water to help bring it all together, and then it's time to give this a good mix. You may need to add a little bit of extra water to create a thick batter. Remember, you want the onions to be coated without being too runny. Once it looks like this, your batter is ready and bursting with flavour. Line the air fryer basket with a silicone mat for easy cleaner. Portion the batter onto the silicone mat and don't overcrowd them. Spray with a little bit of olive oil spray to give it that extra crisp. We're going to cook these at 180 Celsius for about 15 minutes. Don't forget to flip them halfway through and spray with a little bit of extra olive oil spray for that extra crunch. These bhujiyas are the ultimate appetizers, party snacks, or even side dish that are bursting with flavour. This is the traditional taste that we love with a healthier twist. For more recipes like this, don't forget to check out our other air fryer videos. Crispy golden aloo tikki. You won't believe these were made in the air fryer. To start off with, we need to boil our potatoes, so add salt to a pan of boiling water and then add 500 grams of peeled potatoes. You want to boil them for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're cooked through and then drain them. To make our aloo tikki, we first need to mash our potatoes. Once they're mashed, we're going to add our delicious blend of spices to transform these potatoes into the best aloo tikis. First we're going to add some salt, then turmeric powder, chili powder, 1 finely chopped green chili, one teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of chaat masala. And to this we'll add juice of half a lemon, and to finish things off 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. To help bring the mixture together, add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and then give everything a good mix. Mix it really well to ensure that all those spices are evenly distributed in the mixture. We're now going to shape them into our aloo tikis, so you should be able to divide the mixture into 6 even patties, and you can shape them however you want to. We've gone for a round shape, and then you want to slightly flatten them. To make them nice and golden and crispy on the outside, we're going to brush with a little bit of sunflower oil on both sides. And place them in your air fryer basket. Again, make sure not to overcrowd the basket. We're going to air fry these at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Don't forget to flip them over halfway to make sure both sides are evenly crispy. How good do these look? They're the perfect little flavour bombs, nice and crispy on the outside and soft in the middle. Make sure you serve them with your favourite chutneys. For more air fryer recipes like this, don't forget to check out our other videos.